stuff a little bit. This is all the stuff that was in my makeup bag and travel bag. So I'm going to try to clean everything up and really decide what I want to bring, because I have this big bag that I normally keep my makeup in, and then this is my travel toiletry bag, but it has 3 compartments so that I can, you know, store more stuff. So as of right now, I have the left side of my suitcase available to take on any additional things I want to bring. I don't want to overstuff it because I feel like I'm going to buy stuff when I'm traveling. I also decided that I don't want to bring a carry-on, and I don't know if that's a good call right now or not. I feel like I packed a lot of clothes, so I really want to be minimal and intentional with what I bring. I don't think I'll need to go too heavy with my makeup, so I don't need a lot of options, and plus I stick to the same stuff all the time.